Hello everyone, here is Decrypt Made in China. I'm Xiaowen. Our goal is to open a window to everyone to know what is real made in China. And today what we got is a headphone for PC use. This one. Let's open it first. And take out the headphones. I think it's not only big, it's huge for me. And the outside part, this one, is well-rounded and looks like an eggshell. And the mic design is angular. And you can see the line here. This one. This is a colored light strip. You think about this. At night, you play the computer games and this light will blinking. So it's full of technology, yes? And look at this part. When I tasted it, I found the earmuff here is super huge. And the thickness is almost up to 3 centimeters. And all we knew is the thicker the earmuff and the larger the space we have for ears. So this one, the space here is super enough for our ears. When I taste it, it's gonna be so comfortable. The surface here of this earmuff is made of biomimetic protein laser. It's very delicate and soft. And the speakers of this headphone inside use a 50mm neodymium magnet. Usually the larger the speaker and the more real the sound sounds. Because this headphone is mainly designed for the PC game, so the bass part will be more delicate, such as the footsteps and the gunshots are very clear, which can help the players easily win while enjoying the game. And this mic is unidirectional polar pattern, which can catch the human voice exactly, let your teammate hear you clearly. And this headphone wire is covered of nylon, so it's very easy to storage. And the multifunctional control box here has a button here, which can close the light, this one. And here can close your mic directly. It also can clip on your clothes. Convenient to move. They also have the software support for some players who want a more perfect sound experience, and you can download this software called 7.1 Surround Sound, and then you can know the location based on the sound in the game. And another thing is, if you don't want others to hear your real voice, you can use this one to turn the voice into what you like, as animals or robots. And after all, in my suggestion, this V20 headphone is super suited to the game players, and the price is $39.99 US dollar. Oh, okay, let's just say $40. Nice choice, yes? And if you want to know more about this V20 headphones, you can find the link in the description down this video. And if you are interested in the tech products, you can subscribe our channel, and hope see you next time.